Limpopo police cracked down. 696 suspects arrested in a week-long joint operation. From 30 September to 6 October 2024, a week-long joint operation by Limpopo police and various law enforcement agencies targeted multiple crimes across 5 districts. The operation included roadblocks, searches, and compliance inspections, resulting in significant seizures of illegal goods and the closure of unlicensed liquor premises. During the operation, 696 suspects were arrested on various charges, including 12 for murder, 18 for sexual assault, and 200 for assault. Additionally, 15 were arrested for burglary, 10 for driving under the influence, 6 for illegal possession of firearms, and 7 for drug dealing.